priority list is the exhilarating joy of driving, and the 2024 Mazda CX-30 stands tall as a compact SUV that fulfills our need for exciting and pleasurable transportation. Drawing inspiration from the Mazda 3 compact car, the CX-30 exhibits both athleticism and a cabin that exudes luxury. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-litre four-cylinder engine generating a spirited 191 horsepower. This powertrain is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission that adjusts gears intelligently according to the driving environment. For those seeking an extra boost, there's the option of a turbocharged 2.5-litre engine that churns out an impressive 250 horsepower. If you're a fan of the agile Mazda 3 hatchback, you'll feel right at home with the nimble, athletic, and playful nature of the CX-30. Its responsive steering and fluid body movements make it a delight to navigate twisty roads, while also instilling a sense of stability during leisurely cruising. In our tests, the CX-30 took 8.1 seconds to reach from 0 to 60. Not as quick as turbocharged rivals like the Kona, but significantly faster than non-turbocharged SUVs such as the Kia Niro and the Subaru Crosstrek. Opting for the turbocharged engine delivers even swifter acceleration, clocking in at an impressive 5.8 seconds for the 0 to 60 sprint. In terms of fuel efficiency, the non-turbo CX-30 boasts an estimated 26 miles per gallon in the city, 33 on the highway, and a combined 29. With the turbocharged engine, these numbers adjust slightly to 22 in the city, 30 on the highway, and a combined 25 miles per gallon. The CX-30 showcases an attractive and meticulously crafted interior that it shares with the beloved Mazda 3. A central infotainment display emerges gracefully from the dashboard, controlled effortlessly by a rotary knob on the center console. Climate control buttons neatly divide the upper and lower dash panels. Buyers have the option to enhance their driving experience with either an 8 or 12-speaker audio system, and can also upgrade to enjoy heated front seats. Opting for the top-tier premium trim adds luxurious leather upholstery, a power-operated rear liftgate, and other upscale features that rival offerings from premium brands like the Lexus UX and the Mini Countryman. While the CX-30 may not be the most spacious SUV on the market, it still impresses with the ability to accommodate 6 carry-on suitcases behind the rear seats and a total of 16 with the rear seats folded. The CX-30 comes equipped with an 8.8-inch screen and Mazda connected services as standard, providing owners with the convenience of locking and unlocking, remote start, and vehicle monitoring through the My Mazda app. Turbo models are endowed with a larger 10.3-inch display. Standard features include Bluetooth connectivity, 2 front USB inputs, and the capability to transform the CX-30 into a Wi-Fi hotspot. Prices for the 2024 Mazda CX-30 start at $26,370 and can reach up to $38,175, depending on the trim level and optional extras. That would be all. Thank you for watching and see you next time.